Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be tying a very simple, like this is one of the most easiest hair tie you can tie. That's just it. So guys, starting off, I just used my Ankara, which is 1 yard big, and I just folded it into a V-shaped gele. So as you can see, I already have my base on. I don't expect me to open my hair now. So this is the Ankara hair tie. After folding it, I placed it on my head and also added the layer like this. Can you see my fingers go in, press the Ankara in, so that I'll have this first step on the forehead area. So after that, I'm going to just press it down, making sure I tuck in the whole part of the Ankara so that it doesn't come off at the top part of the hair tie. As you can see, I'm tucking it in. You don't want the top part of your head to be looking all bulky like that. So I'm going to carry the longer part of the gele. As you can see, I'm still fixing that. I'll drag the longer handle of the gele. Sorry, I placed it 70-30. That's the long. There's the other hand is 70%, while the other one is 30%. So I'm just going to fold that in. This is very easy now, guys. Some people find it very hard to tie Ankara like this. So sorry for saying it's easy, but I feel this is the easiest tie you can tie as a northerner. So after tucking that one in, you want to make sure you hold it in. I did not tie the back. I just crisscrossed it from the back, placed the longer one in, tucked it into my first step, and then bring back the shorter hand and tucked that one to inside. So I'm going to fix that very well. I don't want it to pull out, but the way the hair tie is firm is already holding on to the main hair tie itself. So I'm going to make sure, as I raise up my head, I'm making sure that the upper part, the top part of my head is not looking too bulky. As you can see, I'm going to view it now, but I'm using my pin, my office pin, to hold on to that short hand and the longer one so that it will stay firm. I'll just push it inside a little bit just to make sure it stays in. Can you see that? I'm just trying to show you guys here how perfect it stayed. So I'm going to check out the top part. After checking that out, I'm just going to use my veil. So if you're somebody that uses veil on your head, this hair tie is like the perfect hair tie for you to tie, even if you don't have a hair behind your neck or anything like that. So this is it, guys, the easiest hair tie you can tie for yourself and just voila, go out or something like that. So this is it. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye.